What's up everybody, welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you're new here or you haven't yet seen my channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos just like this. Today we're going to be talking about the newer stabilizer for your DSLR camera. This is a Steadicam style stabilizer, which means there is no motor, everything is mechanical, and it is a 3-axis gimbal, which is very, very light for a stabilizer. It is made out of carbon fiber. It also comes in a multitude of different colors. This happens to be the blue version, which right now it is also the cheapest version out there. Average price of this is $70. It also uses a standardized Manfrotto mount. I did add my own quick release mount on here to make it easier to get my camera on and off. Now the stabilizer comes with 6 counterbalance weights so you can even out your camera. I'm using an SL2 with this, so I'm using the lowest set in weights since my camera only weighs about 1.5 pounds. Depending on the size of your camera and the weight, you may need more. Now I will say that this stabilizer was a lot easier to balance. I'm not gonna really go into how to balance it. If you wanna see that video, I can create a separate video about that. Overall, I did find that this stabilizer was much easier to use than the Cisno stabilizer. It was definitely a lot more forgiving on your arm, especially on longer periods of time. Another thing I want to just note here with this stabilizer is the handle. The handle is far better than what you find on the Cisno stabilizer. The Cisno was using basically like a foam handle, where this is using a polyurethane handle, and it's a lot more grippy and a lot more comfortable. And it also doesn't like squish down when you try to grip it. The other thing, the bearings on this stabilizer are phenomenal, at least with my camera. I have a light camera. A mirrorless camera would probably be fine as well, but I didn't notice at any point these bearings ever getting stuck. It is a little bit different as far as the adjustment plate goes. This adjustment plate is a little bit more finicky, I guess the best way to put it, from the side to side, but the forwards to backward is about the same. But overall, I think this is a great and affordable way to balance out your Steadicam footage. Now, all the footage that you're going to see is not been touched in post. This is just straight out of the camera, and I've only edited the clip to the points where it was, stable and basically as cinematic as possible. There will be some light color correction going on just so you can get an idea of what you can do with this. And I'll make sure to include a link in the description below if you want to check out this Steadicam for yourself. You just have to remain patient when you're calibrating these things. It's just not going to happen instantaneous. And if you are looking for that instantaneous reaction, you're going to need to look towards a motorized gimbal. And even then, it's going to take a little bit of time and finesse to make sure you get the nice, stable, steady shot. Anyways, that's gonna do it for me. Enjoy this test footage that I shot with the newer carbon fiber stabilizer, and I will see you guys in the next one.